Check out this submarine hunting helicopter. The Westland Wessex HAS.3 was a significant upgrade to the earlier Wessex HAS.1, enhancing its anti-submarine warfare capabilities. Equipped with a more powerful engine and a distinctive camel hump housing a new search radar, the HAS.3 also boasted improved sonar systems. Armed with a formidable arsenal, including Mark 44 or Mark 46 homing torpedoes and Mark 11 depth charges, the HAS.3 proved its effectiveness in numerous operations. Operating from Royal Navy destroyers and frigates, these helicopters played a crucial role in anti-submarine warfare during the Cold War, demonstrating their value in safeguarding maritime interests.